Welcome to Technia TV. Hello, I am Dr. Sandeep Kumar. Today I will deliver lecture on constants and variables. What is constant? A constant is all characteristics or condition that is the same for all the observed units or sample subjects of a study. A variable, on the other hand, is a characteristics which takes on different values for different sample subjects or for all the observed units. What is dependent variable? A dependent variable is the consequence of the independent variable. The functional relation is analyzed between the two variables. The precision of data is governed by the constants. If these conditions remain unchanged during experimentations, a researcher should be careful or conscious enough about the constants of his investigations. Now, what is variables? The variables are those which vary from person to person and can be quantified by employing measuring instrument. The sample or group variations can be ascertained in terms of numerical value. The characteristics or the trait in behavioral science which can be quantified is termed as variable. Variables can be classified into two categories. First one, continuous variables, and the second one, discrete variables. Continuous variables are those for which fractional value exists and have meaning. Example, age, weight, achievement were 14.5 years, 62.75 kilograms and 45.50 scores, or any other fractional of a whole unit is logical and measurable within the precision of the instrument used. Discrete variables are those, on the other hand, which exist only in units, not the fractional value, usually units of 1. Example, 30 boys, 25 girls, 40 Indians and 24 Americans. This distinction is somewhat more complicated in practice. The typical problem in educational research deals with test scores. These are generally reported as discrete variable, though they are often fundamentally continuous. Intelligence is recorded in terms of IQs as discrete, thought by their very computation they are technically continuous. Now, what is variate? The variable is quantified by using an instrument. The quantified variable is termed as variate. When sample subjects IQs or scores of achievement are collected, it is known as variate. The statistical analysis involve variate analysis, that is univariate, bivariate, multivariate analysis. It is evident that data collections means to convert variables into variate so that data can be subjected to an appropriate statistical analysis for obtaining the results. Now I am explaining the quantification of variable. Quantification is the process of assigning numeral value to the extent or amount of a variable of an individual. The quantification is done by employing the process of measurement. This process yields data and scores. Many studies in education produce data for the verification of research hypotheses so as to draw conclusions. Some other studies in education produce evidences that require evaluation by subjective methods which do not readily permit the use of statistical analysis are termed as qualitative data. These qualitative data may be converted first into their quantitative data. The statistical technique may be applied to test the significance of data. If qualitative data cannot be converted into quantitative data, a descriptive interpretation is done. Now I am explaining characteristics of quantitative data. The quantitative data are collected by administering the research tools. These should possess the following characteristics. First one, the quantitative data should be collected through a standardized test. If self-made test is used, it should be reliable and valid. Second one, they are highly reliable and valid. Therefore, generalization and conclusions can be made easily with certain level of accuracy. Third one, the obtained results through quantitative data can be easily interpreted with scientific accuracy. The level of significance can also be determined. Fourth one, the scoring system of quantitative data is highly objective. Fifth one, the use of quantitative data is always based upon the purpose of study. The specific psychometric tests are used in difficult investigation. The next one, the inferential statistical can be used with the help of quantitative data. The last one, the precision and accuracy of the results can be obtained by using quantitative data in an educational research. This is the culmination of my lectures on variate and constants. Thank you very much for watching my lecture on research methodology. Watch more lecture on Technia TV and subscribe Technia TV.